Trouble it in now.
Girl, me can't get enough. And you tight, you already know. Love send it up in you. Who's panic like that, me know. You are my one and only, you know. Ask anyone, Penny Avenue. Oh, if I know you, then I know nobody. Give me your govani. No, come on me yard in a no baggy.
Morning! Good morning, everybody. It's the saddest day of my trip. I don't feel so emotional yet, though. But when I was I couldn't get like a video light first before you come and ice cream. Yeah. Oh, say good morning then. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you. So yeah, I didn't feel anyway until I talked to my mother-in-law this morning, and she was like, "Oh, like, are you ready to go?" And I was like, "You know, I never feel no way till now, but yeah, it's like when you go outside and you start doing stuff, and it's like getting ready to go, then it's like yeah, because when I wrap up my aki and I start pack up my suitcase and stuff, and it's like really like, and yeah." But I'm leaving my sister's. I just have to go in town, pick up some last minute stuff, and then yeah, I'm waiting on my dad. My dad said he's gonna come check me before I leave, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'll catch you guys maybe when daddy comes. And then when I'm on my journey to the airport, I gotta go to Progressive and I gotta go to Juicy Beef. So there you go. Yo, I don't know what recorded just now. God no, cause Joel.
Somebody think I started.
I did. But if I didn't, check out my shirt. I made it. And the ones that I was wearing yesterday, I made as well.
Right.
So, you know, if you're a couple and you want some matching t-shirts, holla at me. I'm gonna come out with some other sayings and stuff, you know, like, just wait for it. And yeah, it's gonna be, because they're personalized, it's gonna be like obviously custom orders only. I'm not gonna come up with like a line of clothes and do it that way. So it will be unique and whatever. So holla at me if you're interested. Yeah, you know, girlfriend cross out, fiance and a, and this soon cross out, and I'm gonna be a
Wife to be.
No, I said this going to be crossed out, and I'm going to be a
Wife.
Talk to me nice. Can I get a
Wow.
water with a
Wow.
wife with a
Wow. Really?
fiance with a. Wow, I'm no longer a boyfriend. Talk truth. Cross out. You're gonna be a husband. Oh my god. Oh god.
So first time anybody have record everything with it.
I don't know.
Stop it and check. Stop and check it now.
Oh my god. Good morning.
My phone and video.
No, it's the opposite way.
I mean, don't say anything. I mean, realize when I don't start it on, it's blue.
I wasn't feeling anything. Yeah, so backwards. Backwards.
Oh, can I go on?
Yeah.
Oh,
From like 6 o'clock this morning.
okay. So should do the boy.
Because I'm always at work.
Yeah, it's good to work.
To maintain
Yeah,
life.
but you get money when you work.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're right. So you
Try
can
the
always at
necessary,
work.
get the necessary things of life.
Exactly. Needs.
Which are?
Basic needs.
Food, the utilities, take care of your daughter.
Where?
Till she get big.
Dash me with people. From him say I do.
Right.
Him dash me with.
Really?
Remember me tell you that, yeah?
Really?
You see how much time I come to Jamaica and how much time I want to see Daddy?
Hold on. Generally, when you come to Jamaica, where do you go?
What do you mean?
With Daddy.
You are married now.
Oh, none of them Daddy.
Daddy changed.
We never close the door. Did I
Yes,
close the door?
you close the door. You close the door, you hang up the phone, you change the number, can't reach him, you're sick in a bed,
That's
can't hear from him.
Jealousy, jealousy, so.
Jealous who? Jealous who?
Huh?
Who?
Is it jealousy?
It's alright.
Am I sensing jealousy?
You soon see. You soon see over yourself.
It's alright, you're dash. What else is there?
I always lived in Canada.
Oh.
So me never pick up myself and leave and go nowhere. So me couldn't dash away.
My Zoe come to Jamaica and I don't even know.
That is a lie, Daddy. Come and call you and tell us where we reach. When you're here.
Yeah. That's what I think of.
When you're here. I tell you that I am here. Yeah? I'm just not here
Yeah.
in Montego Bay. Because I'm not here in Montego Bay. You
Next
know?
thing I come to Jamaica and say, hey, make sure you're at the airport by 11 o'clock, you know.
You
And
go.
don't let me come there and wait.
Okay, so you're gonna meet me at Kingston Airport? You're gonna meet me at the Kingstonian Airport?
I know every airport.
Alright. You hear it? You heard it, right?
Yeah, no.
Alright, so when I want to hear nothing like that, I tell them to come to Kingston or you come pick me up.
Yep.
So now she take up and she get more and even if she have a man so hot. What it want me to remember? I know we used to flex to build wall heap of vibes together. Oh gosh, I make it a talk loving. Yeah, put on a fuck on a done clubbing. My time fly. Why you coming to see this while I'm wondering if you're still around? So are you moving? Anybody get to live the life and we live, get the gal money we see. And everybody can do what we do in a short space of time, make it look so easy. No one anybody can ask anybody. If I say it easy, it would have been for everybody.
This is something that I always have to come and take home when I'm here. Ooh, guava pineapple. Well, $46, so $46 for one thing. That's 46 cents ish, I think. Yeah. So I always pick up some juice mix. I always pick up juice mix because they do have some different flavors here. And the people like, this is him every day. Oh, God. All right. What else no on? Fuffy wants some St. Mary's banana chips. St. Mary's, she said?
Which one?
Pick up 6. Alright, these are also what you gotta come and get because we don't got, well, I mean, we do get them sometimes in foreign, but they be expensive as hell. So I'm gonna get 2 Tiggas. There's a St. Mary's Extra Crunch. Pick up a couple of these. These Saldanza chips are mad. Yeah. These ones are good. Get my snack. Chicken and chips. Should I get it? I think that's it. Okay, so we're at Juicy. We just got my order.
Box of patty to bring up.
I got a box of patties.
Woman say the cashier said she want to see fiance. What she want to see? Husband and wife next time.
Happy nice, nah. Cheese. Okay, sure.
Sure.
So yeah, I got 6 cheese patties, 3 chicken and 3 beef. That came up to, which is equivalent to about $23 or no, yeah, $23 Canadian. About that. And then this is our star breakfast. Ew. How many carnes gross? Don't kiss me after. Beef with cheese, another cheese patty, cocoa bread, chicken patty, and juice. And this came up to $760. That's about $8 Canadian.
Breakfast, guys.
Yeah.
Basic.
which is not bad.
Not bad.
A patty over there is about $1 or something. Yeah,
Similar.
something like that, or about $2 depending on where you go. So. Joel, me not ready to leave yet. Where me a Russia go? Juicy. Country style guava pine. I'm a cheese patty. Those of you who have never had a patty and cocoa bread, this is how.
It's American porridge. You back for your thugs them.
Come on.
This make them call stop, you know?
Anyway.
Stop.
Oh, yoy. I wonder if I Acadian. What's the number? How did I know it was you? Hi, baby. Nothing. Believe it. Yeah. Huh? What do you mean? Me leave the key. Yes. No. I didn't. We didn't have sex yesterday.
What you say?
No.
What can I talk about?
She said, if on our bed.
Parish bed. No? None of that side.
I'm not. He said, which one of them? Because we never have sex on none of the two. And daddy come up there this morning? Girl, no.
We celebrate, Kayan.
To say bye.
Right now, we celebrate.
I am
Well, that's a local spot
at
drop. That's a
Progressive.
good man.
Come over, Wessel. I can't. It's for somebody. You don't think I would have buy it for myself and eat, girl? I would have buy the party for myself and yam. Oh, you get lunch so early? Oh, alright, bye, baby. I love you. Talk to you later. I will. Alright, bye. My sissy poops. Okay, yeah, so you guys put the patty into the cocoa bread. Yeah.
I got cheese.
And
got
then
chicken.
you just.
Good old chicken, huh?
You're just so nuts. Move now.
Stop now.
Yo, time out, babe.
Yeah, stop now.
And juicy beef not have straw.
Big, cool.
Ooh. I don't even know, no. Oh, that's so good.
How many good to
This
this?
is so good. Wow, look at the cheese. Cheese!
Yes,
No, I don't eat that.
That's strong. That's the ever about cream.
Move. I don't appreciate how you come on YouTube and chat about my business. Move, man.
No,
No, nothing name loyalty. What carrot have to do with how many porridge?
I mean, like the aunt can shuffle the carrot. Tapos mga ipa. Tapos ipa. Too sensitive to be televised.
So the last little bit of Jamaica may I get before December.
Can I come start now, babe?
I guess.
I'm going up here somewhere. Lock the door. I'm coming.
piece?
Some orange juice.
You want a piece?
Cheese bar.
You move on till the end. No place like your bed. Man, I take you for granted.